Morning, everyone. Welcome to today's update, the 8th of April, 2022. Here we are again with Bitcoin. Clear rebuy, clear support. Let it hold as support for now. We're still in the range. Not much has changed on the high time frame, to be honest, since yesterday. Still looking at the same lines, not move much. For now, I'm just thinking about can we go and grab this liquidity down here? If not, I'm completely fine to just bounce from here and go retest that value area high. Completely fine. That's it. Let's go on the smaller time frame. So we're gonna go on the 1 hour time frame. So we've been clearly ranging, right? So you could interpret this range in two ways, in my opinion. You see how I like to take the low here and the high here because it was like the Star Wars candle, you know, where it like wrecks both sides, wreck the shorts, wreck the longs, and keep doing whatever it wants to do. So right now we right on this range equilibrium. However, yesterday, you can see that we were clearly ranging only within here. So we were just clearly ranging here, and now we're forming consolidation, hopefully to reclaim the EQ, and then to go all the way to the high, which is at 44,200. So right now, Bitcoin for me, it's looking okay. It's not looking the strongest. We need to keep in consideration that we've been in a downtrend since the 31st of March. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. A downtrend on the 1 hour chart is still something to keep in mind, especially for the day traders. Also, I wanted to share this in the group. Nope, it's not this, it's this. So I have this type of Elliott wave that I want to share with you guys. I know it's a bit confusing and I don't want any of you guys to trade based off it, but this is kind of the idea that I am looking at some point. So it will be like this, something like that. Yeah, so it will be like wave 5. So let's say it's a bit too early to predict this, correct? But let's say that the wave 5 should be between 1 and 1618. So the wave 5 should be between those two areas, which is the 39 and 36 area, which is completely fine for me because it means that right now we're going for wave 4. So wave 4, it's like the last release before a bigger crash. Maybe trap some more bulls along the way before a bigger crash. Of course, I'm not trading based off this. I will never trade based off this by any means. So it's at your own risk, of course. And to keep it in mind that, so we have our 4 here, and I like it very much because our value area high is slightly higher. So we could even go to the value area high before giving it back. And in that case, if we go to the value area high, it will be the 0.5, I believe. Yes, correct. So it'll be the 0.5. That will be a really nice reject, trapping a bit of bulls, because I'm sure a lot of people will start buying when we're here. The retail buyers, they love to buy the breakouts, right? So they will buy here. Yeah, we're going back to moon, but nope, pit stop here, go back down. That's personally my idea for Bitcoin in the coming days, weeks. But for now, support is support until proven otherwise. So right now, this 42 is support. Okay, so we need to pay close attention to it. It's also that a new daily that we made. I believe it hasn't been tapped today just yet. So that's also a level to be aware of, definitely. I love to see my weeklies tapped before the actual move up, or any daily SRs tapped before the actual move up. It's always nice to have. What else do we have here? Yeah, I have this also, but I think this is a long setup. This is coming in the future. No need to see this for now. I think that's it. I think that's mainly it from me. We have a little order block to grab at 42,800, but it's on really, 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 really low time frame. I think it's 1 minute. So if it's front run, nothing to FOMO on, in my opinion. It's like not really important. I will be more interested into order blocks such as for example, such another block, you see, from the 45.8 to the 46.5. That will be an interesting order block that I would like to pay attention to, since it's on the daily chart and rather than on the minute chart. We have another one. I think it was the 5 minute, which we hit yesterday. Okay, we have orange still, which is the point of control below us. Okay, we have this type of triangle, I believe, that was forming yesterday. Yeah. So, oh, wow. So yeah, we had this mini triangle forming. So we've clearly been ranging between it. So pop, 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 breakout, retest at the moment. Will we be able to keep shooting? That's what we will know today, but that looks really nice, this triangle. So I will delete it because I don't like trading and it's already broken out and back tested. So I think we don't need to have it here anymore, but definitely something to pay attention, as the target of this triangle will be the top of the range, right? 44.2. So also an area to be aware of if you want to open a short. Don't be too aggressive. Of course, let the price do its thing before taking your shorts. But yeah, here, no short. Here, possible short, definitely. Okay, so that's it for me on TradingView. We have the same levels actually, guys. Okay, so now we're back into the previous month value area high. Back on top of the previous month value area high. So, yep, let's consider that support until we are getting reacceptance within. The daily levels I have an update, but I'll probably share a picture of ExoChart in the group today. The previous week, so now we under the previous week low. Okay, so it's we under last week's value area. Not a really good sign personally. And the P year, which the val is coming at 39, which is really nice, really, really nice. So for me here, we're still doing a wave 4, you know, wave 4 consolidation. It's really nice for before more drop. Okay, the naked point of control to be aware of, we have one on top at 45.9 and two right below us, a weekly one and a daily one at 42,200. So definitely a level to be aware of. Let's go have a look at ExoChart. Okay, so we'll go start with the volume or the flow. Oh, wow. Yep, if you know what that means, that's massive bullish divergence right here. That is really, really big, massive bullish divergence. Looking nice, looking nice. So let's check that bounce yesterday. What happened exactly? Once again, trap traders, a lot of trap traders, but 30 million volume delta. Yeah, not so good. That's why the move was quite slow. And then reject, test again. Yeah, we're just ranging. There's no real volume injection coming in yet that I see of. When I mean nice volume injection, I want to see something over 30 million. Okay, anything under 30 million is so-so for me. 60 million is really optimal for marketing any trades, you know. Okay, so we have a 5 minute bullish divergence. Quite nice. Let's go on the daily time frame. Okay, so still the same. Still our naked point of control right below us and the one right on top of us. Let's go have a look at the ego time. Okay. Let's check ego time. Wow. Wow. So yeah, that's beautiful. So ego time right now, we're doing a round bottom. Yeah. Remember what I said yesterday, single prints are price magnets. They always like to get filled. Okay. It can be tomorrow, it can be in a month, but they will get filled. That's a fact. So starting at 44,440, it's also the top of the range, I think, or 200 higher than the top of the range. And or Igor session 2 point of control, which is hanging at 45,280. Fantastic. Fantastic. So we got our levels to the upside, our levels to the downside. And right now we ready to crush it. Nice. We have a nice selling tail up there from this morning. Clear it up, creating a new one, higher one. Why not? We have a buying tail from yesterday also. No naked point of control. We still have the one from 2 days ago, 45,250. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So let me go back to the chart, give you my little insight real quick. Okay. So we here, I want to put everything. Put the SNR, I want to put the flips, I want to put the levels that I'm interested in. Yeah, right here. Okay. So for me here, there's two fast choice, right? Here is resistance. So you can either take, here for me is no short, okay? Here for me is no short. So for me, the next short I will want to take will be over here, okay? That will be a short. I will consider this high as my stop loss, and I will go down to my NPOC and the buy stops even. So that's one setup, okay? I mark it in, so you see my risk reward is 14, but it's because my risk is usually less than 0.5. So you usually never have risk, okay? After all, you can also find a long position. You can find a long position right here, okay, where our short target is. So let's say we take the naked point of control, we put wherever the wick is, and our target will be back to the value area high, correct? Let me check the value area high where it's at. Okay, it's even higher. So yeah, let's aim small first, okay, guys? However, seeing this from yesterday and us hovering here, and obviously, if you're looking for a trade here, that means you did not have the long. I personally got a long here yesterday with my stop losses at entry. I'm still chilling. But for you, if you missed the long, I think the only best option, let's check where the local bucket is. Yeah, so, and for me, it will not be a good long. So for me here, there's no more long to be taken, only shorts. Okay, I missed this nice short right here. That's okay. I'm hoping it can get there so I can grab the short. If I don't, oh well. Looking for the next opportunity. But for now, simply trading, you trade the range until the range break. Okay, guys, that's it for me today. Good luck and happy trading. Bye-bye.